Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In our previous sessions, we discussed about the basic search bar. Today we are diving into the one of the most critical feature for any marketplace, the advanced product search and pagination system. A great search engine is what turns a visitor into a buyer. In this video, I will show you how to build a robust backend using PHP and SQL that can filter through hundreds of products in milliseconds. We will cover how to handle a dynamic search queries, protect our database from SQL injection, and most importantly, how to implement a professional pagination system. This ensures that our website stays lightning fast by loading only a specific number of products per page, providing a smooth experience for our users from anywhere all around the globe. Let's jump into our output. So, this is my website. At the top of the page, we have a prominent search bar. In the last video, we discussed about the basic search bar. In this video, we will discuss about the advanced product search. The system processes the input and instantly filters the available skills to match the user's query. This ensures a seamless and fast browser experience. To make the search even more precise, users can use the refined results sidebar on the left. They can filter by category, difficulty level, beginner to advanced, medium, minimum rating, and even set a specific price range. Now I show you how it works. When I select a category and click apply filters, you can see the result. And I can choose one of difficult level and minimum rating. If any product is available, you can see the product. If there are no product, you can see this no result found message. Then you can click this clear all filters and get the all available products in our website. Again, I choose this advanced level and click apply filters. Then you can see the result. So this is the advanced search part in our website. Since we have many skills available, we use pagination to keep the interface clean and organized. Instead of loading everything at once, we display a set number of items per page. At the bottom, you can see the pagination controls. User can easily jump between pages using the numbered buttons or navigate to the next page using the arrow icon. You can see when I click 2 and I'll turn into the second page. When I click this previous arrow, I'll turn into the first page. So this is the processing part of our pagination and advanced search system. Now let's dive into the code. This is our product search.php file. We have encapsulated our search logic into a class. This makes the code reusable across different pages like the home page or the dedicated search page. It optionally takes a $sign user ID. This allows us to track who is searching or even hide the seller's own product from their search result. The private method is the brain of the filter system. It looks at the $sign filters array and builds the SQL conditions on the fly. It handles keyword search using like category IDs, skill levels, and price range. Look at the having logic. Because ratings are calculated using an average, we can't use a standard where clause for them. Instead, The code intelligently uses a having clause to filter products based on their calculate average rating. Notice how it tracks $sign params and param types. This ensures every filter is passed into a prepared statement, making our search immune to SQL injection. Look at this advanced data fetching method. This is the final execution point that brings everything together. It joins the product table with user, order, and feedback. It accepts $page and $per page parameters to calculate the limit and offset. This keeps our Skillshop results fast and organized. Finally, it fetches all matching rows and stores them in a clear and clean products array, ready to be displayed in our Tailwind CSS street. This is our advanced.php file. We start by initializing the environment and checking if the user is already logged in. We use session start to handle user data across pages. If the user is not logged in, we trigger outcheck.php to look for remember me cookies, ensuring a seamless experience for returning users. We include our product searcher.php controller and create a new $searcher object using the current $user ID. This is where we capture everything the user selected in the search slide bar, the $filters array. We build a clean array from the $get parameters. This includes the search query, category ID, skill level, price ranges, and the sorting preferences. Using trim and interval, ensuring that the data we send to our database is clean and formatted correctly. To build a functional search page, we need to load categories and calculate page numbers. We run a database search query to get all available categories from the database. These will be used to populate our search filter drop-down or sidebar. We set a limit of 6 items per page. We then call $searcher get count $filters to find total products match the user's criteria, which allows us to calculate the total pages. This is a vital UX feature that many developers forget. We use this function to rebuild the URL parameters, HTTP build query. This ensures that when a user clicks page 2, they don't lose their filters. For example, if you are searching for Python in beginner level, clicking the next page will keep those filters active instead of resetting the search. The first critical part of our form is the hidden input. This ensures that if a user originally searched for Python, that keyword is not lost when they apply a category filter later. This keeps the user's primary search term active while they refine the details. We have included our major ways for customers to find exactly what they need. This is dynamically populated from our database. The code uses a short than if statement to keep the user's chosen category visible after the page reloads. We use radio buttons for beginner, intermediate, and advanced level. Each one features a color-coded emoji to make the UI more intuitive. This allows users to filter by quality from any rating down, not rated. It maps directly to our SQL having clause we discussed in the controller. Look at this advanced price range slider. This is a high-end UI feature for Skillshop. We have two type range sliders for min and max price. They are connected to JavaScript functions like update price from range. This allows users to slide for a rough price to type into the boxes for a specific amount. The Accent Blue 600 class ensures the slides match our brand colors perfectly. And we have made sure this search works perfectly on phones. The LG hidden button all allows mobile users to hide or show the filters to save screen space. We use a for each loop to render our products in a responsive grid. We added a group hover scale 110 effect on images and a deep shadow transition. This makes the card feel premium and interactive as users browse through skills. Notice the ternary operator for rating. If a skill is a brand new, it displays new. Otherwise, it shows the exact average rating rounded to one decimal. We use number format $sign product price to ensure our currency always look professional with two decimal points. Look at this advanced pagination with query persistence. This is the most critical part of the navigation, keeping the user search active. We use the $sign connector $sign query string logic. This ensures that when a user clicks page 2, they don't lose their price filters or category sections. Instead of showing every single page number, we only show the first, last, and the pages immediately surrounding the current page. We use ellipses, three dots to keep the UI clean. The current page is highlighted with a bold blue shadow, providing instant "you are here" feedback to the customer. The no result safety net. What happens when the filters are too strict? We never leave the user at a dead end. If zero products are found, we display a clean dashed border container with a helpful message. We provide the promoted Clear All Filters button. This encourages the user to reset and try a different search rather than. This is our JavaScript part. We have added some CSS to handle how the filters look on smaller screens. When the screen width is below 1024 pixels, we transform the filter sidebar into a full screen model using position fixed and inset 0. Ensures that the filters cover the entire screen, making it easier for mobile users to select categories. The set index 100 ensures the filters appear on top of all other page content. Toggle filters function. This is triggered by the filters button on mobile devices. It switches the hidden and active classes on our sidebar. A professional touch here is documented body.style.overflow. When the filters are open, it stops the background page from scrolling, which is a key UX standard. We have two functions to keep our range sliders and number inputs in perfect sync. Update price from range. When you move a range slider, this function instantly updates the corresponding number in the input box. It also prevents the min price from ever being higher than the max price. If you try to slide the min past the max, the other slide moves along with it to prevent errors. Update price from input. If the user prefers to Type a specific price into the text box. This function moves the range slider to the correct position automatically. It handles empty input by defaulting to 0 for min and million for max. We use an event listener to run update price from range as soon as the page loads. This ensures the slider are correctly positioned based on any filters already active in the URL. Finally, we close the page by requiring the footer.php file to maintain a consistent layout. So, this is the end of today's video. Thank you very much for staying with me, and I will see you again with another video. So, thank you again and have a nice day all. Goodbye.